So the truth of the matter is, guys, yes, Python is saturated for those 80% of developers who's not really putting themselves in a position to win, guys. I can't stress this enough. It's not like the 90s where if you had HTML experience, if you have just general programming experience, people are going to be throwing jobs at you. Those days are over. But what I'm here to tell you is you got two groups of developers. You got that 70% who's just doing the hello world, just the general stuff and just hoping somebody put a development job in their lap, and you got the other 20 to 30% over here who's really putting themselves in a position to be that crown jewel that the companies want and are throwing money and opportunities at to take their jobs. You want to go from being in that batch of the developer who can't get an opportunity, who got too many options, and trying to figure out what's going to be next for you guys. So how do you get in this batch, guys? How do you get over here to really put yourself in a position to win?